Do you want to speak English but you don't know where to start? Let me tell you something. I was also like you. Hello and welcome back to our channel Speak with Indu. Hope you all are doing great and learning English every day. You want to speak English but you don't know where to start. Let me tell you my own story. Some time ago, I couldn't speak English. I understood little bit, but I couldn't speak because I am afraid of making mistakes. I think my English is weak. Then one day I asked the question of myself that really I want to speak English or I just wanting. Then one day I decided to practice every day. I started speaking small sentences like I am improving, I am listening, I am speaking. Then I make one rule that I practice every day, even for 10 minutes. I started practicing in front of the mirror. At first, I am very unconfident. I am very afraid. But day by day, I improved and I became confident because practice gives you confidence. And then I started speaking confidently. So, what do you learn from my story? Practice every day in front of the mirror. At first you made mistakes, but you don't afraid of making mistakes. You just practice. And day by day you improve and you automatically get confidence because you are practicing and practicing gave confidence. Then I started listening English movies, English cartoons, English simple conversations, and I also enjoyed those journey. And I also enjoyed cartoons, and I also learned. I started listening English videos and repeating every sentences again and again. I improved by this process. Then after some days, I started speaking small sentences. So what do you learn from my story? Just listen. English podcast, English cartoons, English videos, English conversation videos. And then repeat again and again. So you also start speaking from today onwards only. Speak with me. Repeat after me. I listen every day and I repeat every small sentences again and again. I am improving. I am learning. I stopped translating in my mind. I started thinking in my mind. Like I'm excited. I'm washing face. I'm dancing. I'm laughing. I'm talking with you, all lovely guys. You also start speaking small sentences every day, and also you start thinking in your mind because when I used to translate in my mind, because of translating Hindi to English, I'm slow in speaking. Then I decided I don't translate, I think directly in my mind. And when I started thinking in my mind, my speaking is faster than before. So, what do you learn from my story? That you also think directly in your mind. Stop translating in your mind. When you saw cat, you say directly cat instead of billy. When you saw chair, say chair. When you saw door, you say door. Like this only. Start practicing every day in front of the mirror. Few days ago, sometimes I used to speak, sometimes I skip, but my English is not improved. Then one day I decided practice of speaking every day in front of the mirror, even for 5 minutes. I didn't skip. Then my English is automatically improving and I can speak confidently in front of you only. And I started So what do you learn from this story? Consistency is the key to success. Start speaking every day in front of the mirror, even for 10 minutes. Repeat after me. I am practicing every day, even for 5 minutes, even for 3 minutes only. But practice every day of speaking English, because English language is not subject, it is skills, and you learn skills when you speak. Then if you want to speak fluently, then you have to speak confidently every day. Before, I'm afraid of speaking, but today I'm not afraid of speaking. I'm just speak, even broken English, but I speak confidently. I'm not afraid of making mistakes, because right now I know mistake is the part of learning. If you are doing something new, then definitely you make mistakes. So don't be afraid of making mistakes. Make mistakes and learn from your mistakes. So what do you learn from my story? That don't afraid of making mistakes. Speak every day. Learn from your mistakes. Repeat after me. I am learning, I am making mistakes, but I am learning from my mistakes. I am not afraid of making mistakes. I am confident. I am speaking confidently. So friends, what do you learn from this video? That you have to practice every day. You have to speak small sentences every day, and stop translating in your mind. Start thinking in your mind and speak every day. Listen English podcast, English movies, English conversations, and start speaking. And don't afraid of making mistakes, because making mistakes is a part of learning. And yes, consistency is the key to success. You have to maintain consistency and speak English every day as you can. Now I'm able to speak English confidently. Yes, right now also I'm not perfect in English. I'm making many mistakes. But yes, I'm speaking confidently. What do you learn from this? You also have to speak confidently from right now. Start speaking with me. Repeat after me. I'm speaking confidently. I'm making mistakes, but don't worry. I'm speaking. If I can do it, if I can speak, definitely you can do it, and definitely you can speak. Hope you like this video. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching till the end. I will meet you in the next video. Keep learning, keep improving, keep practicing, keep growing. Thank you so much. I will meet you in the next video. Thank you so much.